Hello mga MomShies! It's me, MomShieRox. Magluluto po ako ngayon ng ulam namin for lunch, liempo with hoisin sauce. Ang aking ingredients ay liempo, barbecue sauce, this one, hoisin sauce, black pepper, 3 kinds of black pepper. Powder black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Whole black pepper, 1 teaspoon. And olive oil. Slice the liempo into half. Put everything in a pan. Hoisin sauce. Barbecue sauce. Black pepper, olive oil. Add 1/2 cup of water. Spread the ingredients like this. Let it cook for 30 minutes in slow fire. Baliktarin natin ang liempo para malagyan ng sauce ang ibang pa. Malapit nang maluto, malapot na ang kanyang sabaw. Fried natin siya sa sarili ng mantika. MomShies, luto na ang liempo. Ready na for plating. MomShies, my liempo with hoisin sauce. It's yummy, try it.